My name is GEOCAN and I welcome you to Solve Math. Yes, it's Solve Math on the GEOCAN Educational Channel. Yes, today's edition is a Mother's Day edition, and I'll take this opportunity to wish all our mothers a happy Mother's Day. Amazing. And now, we have a question from a fan by name Rejoice from Zimbabwe. Yes, Rejoice wants us to help her to tackle this particular question, which is based on linear equation. So I'll urge you all to pay critical attention here as we tackle the question. Good. In mathematics, instructions are so salient, right? So let's read the instructions, then we can address the question. Fantastic. What we have there? If 10m plus 4 is equal to 9, find m. Now, m is a value, it's standing for a value. That is all. That is all. So we just have to look for the value of m in this linear equation. It's easy. You've been watching our previous editions. If you've not, I'll urge you to visit our various social media platforms. We are GEOCAN TV on YouTube or GEOCAN Educational Channel. Better still, you can find us GEOCAN TV or GEOCAN Educational Channel also on Facebook or on Solve Math on Facebook or KIDZ Zone on Facebook or on GEOCAN on Facebook. Good. Now, let's tackle the question. Let's have our solution. Now, as I always say, solution simply means how you solve the question, right? Just systematically. Maths should be solved nicely so that anyone who picks your answer should be able to understand by just following the trajectory of the process. Good. Now, let's write the question. 10m plus 4 is equal to 9. Good, right? What do you do here? Remember, we have positive 4 here. So when you have positive, you just have to subtract negative 4 from both sides. Remember, I told you in our previous edition, anytime you have positive, you subtract from both sides. And anytime you have negative, you rather add to both sides, right? So this one, we have our 10m plus our 4 minus what? 4 is equal to 9 what? Minus what? 4. Good. I believe you got it, right? Good. Let's continue. Now, 10m, 4 minus 4 is what? 0. So just ignore it. Yeah, you bring your equal to sign. 9 minus what? 4 gives us what? 5. Good. We are moving on. Now, we have 10m is equal to 5. You want m to stand what? Alone. And you have 10 closer to m. So just divide both sides of the equation by what? 10 in order to eliminate the 10 so that m can stand alone. So write the equation again. 10m is equal to 5. Then divided by 10. Divided by 10. 10 will cancel 10, right? Good. Now, 5 will go into 10 how many times? What I mean is 5 times what will give you what? 10. And it is 5, 2, 10. And 5 will go into 5 how many times? 5 times what will give you 5? It's 5, 1. So 5 will go into 5 once. Good. So what we have? We have m is equal to 1 over 2, which is what? Half. So the value of m is half, 1 over 2. Now, how do you check your answer? Now, go to the equation you were given. Anywhere you see m, fix 1 over 2 there. And if the right-hand side is equal to the left-hand side, then you are good to go. So let's do that with attention and with precision. Good. So we have 10m plus 4 is equal to what? 9. So 10 into bracket, m is what? Half, plus your 4 is equal to what? 9, right? Good. Now, 2 will go into 10, right? What I mean is 2 times what will give you 10? And it's 2, 5, 10. 2, 1, 2. Good. So you have 5 here. You have your bracket, 1 over 1, bracket close. You have your plus 4 is equal to 9. Let's take our time so that you can understand. Don't rush in mathematics. Follow systematically, step by step. Good. So now you have 5. Now 1 over 1. Any number over 1 at all is the same as that number. So if you have 1 over 1, it's the same as 1. If you have 2 over 1, it's the same as 2. 3 over 1 is the same as 3. So 1 over 1 is what? 1. So bring your bracket 1. You have your plus 4 is equal to 9. Now, bracket means multiplication. You know that bracket means multiplication. So 5, 1 is what? 5 plus your 4 is equal to 9. Now, 5 plus 4 is what? 9, which is equal to 9. Voila, 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 voila. This is Solve Math for you on the GEOCAN Educational Channel. And my name is GEOCAN. As you can see, 9 is equal to 9. We've proved our answer, and it's easy. I hope you followed it. Math is amazing, right? And rejoice. Who brought this particular question? I hope by this time you are rejoicing. Yes, this brings us to the end of today's edition of Solve Math on the GEOCAN Educational Channel. And today's edition is the Mother's Day edition, right? Good. So, till we meet again for our next lesson. My name is GEOCAN, and I have love for math. Adios.